Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to be connecting our new row of Teeny-Tiny Doilies to our finished row of Teeny-Tiny Doilies. Now what I'm going to show you in this video will work even if you have the long one. You'll just repeat this step for each one. There will be one slight difference which I will mention when we get there, but otherwise this will be the same for each circle on this row that you have left, whether it's the small one, which is just one, or the longer, which will be a few more. So here, the beginning of your new row starts just like the first row, so I recommend, if you need refresher, that you go to part 4 and work your way through part 12. That will get you to this point exactly. Our string is coming out this second side bead from the top, which is right here, and we want to be coming out here to add this row, so we're going to go down through 3 beads. That is 1, 2, and 3, and then we will add our 3 beads, 1, 2, 3, and for mine they are all low, so I'll put on 3 pinks. And then we want to go through that bottom bead of our previous circle, along with the 2 side beads that are part of the circle we just are adding. And there we have our first Teeny-Tiny Doily. Now we're going to be connecting by doing this, so we want to work our way around so that we're coming out of this second bead from the top of our doily. So we'll first go through the 3 beads we just added. And then we want to go through 1 more. And that puts us in position. Now for this video, what we are doing is we're connecting our doilies side by side. I will be putting up a video later for doing it diagonally, but this is the simpler way, so I'm doing it first. So that's what we will do here. To do that, we will first add 1 bead, and then we'll take our doily. Now this is the top. We're coming out here, and this is our top. So we want to have it with the top. Now you want to match up your designs to make sure that the doilies are laying the way you want them to lay before you attach them. So we want to go in this second bead from the top. So that's here. We want to go down, because here we're coming out going up, so we want to go down on this side. So we'll go through 1, 2 beads, and then we will add a bottom bead, and on the doily we are creating, we're going to want to go where our string is coming out. We want to go the opposite side and go 1 bead away from where our string is coming out. And we have connected. Now when you add more rows for the long one, this bottom bead here will be the top bead when you connect. So you won't need to add a top bead, you'll just go through this bottom connection bead, which will be part of the next connection. So that's the only difference from what you just did. And then what we want to do is get in position to go to the next bead. So we want to go through that center bead to get us back in line, and then we'll go through one side bead here, going down the direction that we want to add beads, and that puts you in the same position as where we started the video, so that if you have more to add, you can repeat this video and add. And like I said, when you go to connect, this bottom bead will be your top for the next connection. In the next video, I will show you how to get into position for the next doily, and I will also go over some other information that you'll need to continue your row. Hope to see you there.